And we go straight into it as Jamaica's Oblique Seville says he has gained a word of confidence from his fourth place finish in the 100 meters at the World Athletics Championships in Eugene, Oregon, Saturday evening. Jordan Fort is there in Eugene.
After a fourth place finish in his first Global Championships final, Oblique Seville told TVJ Sports that he will only grow from the experience here in Eugene. Seville ran 9.97 seconds to finish behind the American trio of Fred Curley, Marvin Bracey and Trayvon Brumell.
Well, it's a great feeling because me and my coach was saying that get to the finals, that was the right aim. So I finally did that, so I'm happy with it. Well, with the execution, I didn't get the best of start, but no need to worry about the start. But my transition phase, it was a bit messy, but I'm glad that I came forth. I have to just give thanks and work for better next time.
2019 world silver medalist Danielle Thomas-Dodd says she fell short of her goal after finishing 10th in the women's shot put final with 18.29 meters.
Disappointed with the distance, however, I'm not disappointed overall with my performance, just because, you know, we literally just started to figure out some stuff in practice and it just didn't roll over to the competition.
Wayne Pinnock also revealed that he wasn't competing at 100% after finishing 9th in the men's long jump final.
Came out here with a hand problem, but I mean, I tried my best and it never worked out.
Adele Tracy, who recently switched allegiance to compete for Jamaica, missed out on a spot in the 1500-meter final after finishing 9th in her semi-final.
I'm disappointed with the time. I was hoping to kind of make that automatic qualifying spot. I felt like I really went for it, and right now I feel satisfied that I ran in that way, because I think my coach will be happy with putting myself out there. Just need to get a little bit stronger, and hopefully I can stick with the likes of Faith.
Reporting from Eugene, Oregon, from the 2022 World Athletics Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.